children, I welcome back you to the class. Today I would like to teach a poem that is Home They Brought Her Warrior Dead by Alfred Lord Tennyson. Home They Brought Her Warrior Dead by Alfred Lord Tennyson. Now you can see an image of the poet. He is Alfred Lord Tennyson. Now just we look about the poet. Alfred Lord Tennyson remains one of the most renowned poets of all the time. His most famous quote comes from his poem In Memoriam. He says, "'Tis better to have loved and lost than never to have loved at all." This quote is a source of hope and comfort to everyone who had ever loved and lost someone. So in this slide, we came to know that Alfred Lord Tennyson was the most famous poet, and his great poem In Memoriam shows the relation of his friend. So he has given a quote that source of hope and comfort to everyone if anybody loved and lost someone. This quote also coincides with the poem. This quote coincides with the present poem Home They Brought Her Warrior Dead. Having lost his father and close friend, Tennyson was well aware of the pain of losing someone. Alfred Lord Tennyson lost his father and his close friend, so he knew the pain of losing someone. His poetry offered much comfort to Queen Victoria when she lost her husband in 1861. It shows that even his poetry comforted Queen Victoria. Tennyson continued to write, and his works continued to touch the lives of those who read them. It shows that when we read his poem or when we read his works continue to touch our hearts, and his feeling comes out from our hearts. So Alfred Lord Tennyson's works surely touches the hearts of all the readers. Now let us see the summary at a glance. Home They Brought Her Warrior Dead truly reveals the heart of a mother. When the dead warrior was brought home, the people expected her to behave as a widow to behave. But the widow was also a mother, and her mothering instincts led her to think of the child. While she looked at the dead man before her, she was not in shock or disbelief. She was not unmoved or unfeeling. So here in this slide, we have two new words: reveals, break the news, or disclose or tell. Instincts, idea or gut feeling or sentiment. Now in this slide, we can understand that the warrior dead body brought back to home. Here all the people expected warrior's wife to behave as a widow to behave, but the widow did not behave like that because she was also a mother. She has a sentiment to bring her child up. While she looked at the dead man before her, she was not in shock or disbelief. She did not show her emotion or any kind of sorrowful appearance. She was not unmoved or unfeeling. This word shows us that she was in deep unconscious mood because she is neither speaking nor crying. She was struck with fear for her child who would grow up fatherless. The widow turned to take care of the child and live for the child. It was at that moment the widow was able to grieve for her own loss. She was able to think about her own loss and let out her grief in tears. So here there is a new word, that is grieve. Meaning is mourn. M-O-U-R-N, mourn, or feel deep or distress. These are the meanings of the new words. So in this slide we can understand that she did not turn her face as sorrow. She did not behave like heartbroken person. At a moment the widow was able to distress. The widow was able to mourn, but we can find she did not grieve for her own loss. She is in thinking about her child. She was able to think about her own loss but let out her grief in tears. She did not speak anything. She did not reveal out anything. She did not show her emotions, but she thought about her child and child's care. So finally we can see tears in her eyes. It shows that she also have sentiment, and she also have the pain of an affectionate person, that is also a husband. And we can see here that the warrior is a brave soldier, so she also behaved in brave manner. So by seeing this situation, all the people's expectation went wrong. She has shown braveness and she has behaved like an ideal that to be model for others. We can see a 90-year world nurse brought the child and placed on the lap. By seeing the child, she wept, but not for her loss.